Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can fix Pinterest sound problem. So this process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to tell you or show you. So let's get on it. The first, if you're having problem with the Pinterest sound, what you'll do or what you are going to do is go into your settings on your device, just like right here, and then just scroll down and tap into your app management, and then tap on to the app list, and then in here we are just going to find the Pinterest section. So just scroll down until you see the Pinterest. So here's the Pinterest. So just tap onto your Pinterest. And what we're going to do first is tap onto the storage usage. And we are going to clear the data and clear the cache as well. So just like that. And after doing so, just go back from here. And then you can force stop this Pinterest. And then after force stopping it, what we're going to do next is by simply turning off and on the Wi-Fi, and then refresh or force exit the Pinterest app on your device, and that should fix the sound problem on your Pinterest. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.